Hello friends, welcome to Rebelo's. I've got today the green curry paste, the Goan style green curry paste. So I'm gonna throw out what I use to make my curry paste, and you will find the proportions onto the video. You can just find your way into it. And over here I've got some cinnamon, some cloves, I've got some peppercorns, some dry coriander powder, some cumin seeds, I've got some turmeric powder, and over here I've got a mixture of some sea salt and some sugar. And on the other side I've got some fresh coriander. I tend to use the entire bit of coriander rather than just the leaves. But if you prefer to put just the leaves, then please go ahead. Add the ginger garlic. So, ginger garlic straight in into the jar. What I like to do is I like to add the chilies into it as well. And let's this down. Add a little vinegar to it. If you want, you can add a little bit of water to it. Not much, less than 100 ml. So, try to this up, down. That's how it turns out. So then we add, whew, nice and strong. Whew. There you go. We add the coriander to it. Put that in the sink. Get it out of the way. And there. Gonna give another quick. This one. This one takes a little bit more long because of the coriander that is over here. We need to take that, just push it down. So we put it, okay. There you go. Now I'll add the rest of the vinegar to it. And after you add the rest of the vinegar, add the Worcester sauce. That's about 2 tablespoons of Worcester sauce, that is. That's only optional. If you want to use Worcester sauce, you can use Worcester sauce, or if you want to just stick down to just using some tamarind, for sure, why not? Just add some tamarind. But I'll tell you what, add that Worcester, little bit of Worcester sauce into it. Just gives a very good taste. And I think you should try putting some Worcester sauce. You must have tried putting tamarind in. Worcester sauce is nothing but you've got all that tamarind. The only thing that Worcester sauce got something different. It's got the fish sauce in it. So if you want to keep away from the fish, then don't add it. But if you want to give that little extra flavour, why don't you add it? So the last bit, this is a little bit longer, so it'll take about till you finely grind it. Don't leave it chunk because it wouldn't taste. It wouldn't taste. You don't want that texture hitting you. So the finer the paste is, the better. So I'll show you what happens, how it turns out after I blitz it down. and we'll take it from there. So, finally, our green paste is ready, if you can see that. So nice and green paste. So what we can do is we add it into there you go. So our green curry paste is ready. I hope you enjoy this. Please do share your comments. Let me know how it turned out when you did it, and what are the dishes that you've done, and throw in some comments. I would love to hear back from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, goodbye.